Gardening with Grandpa by Libby Brereton, illustrated by Richard Hoit. Grandpa held up a bag. Ben and Sam looked inside. "What are they?" said Ben. "They are seeds," said Grandpa. Grandpa shook some seeds into his hand. He showed the seeds to Ben and Sam. "These seeds will grow into sunflowers," said Grandpa. Grandpa, Ben, and Sam went down to the garden. "We need to find a sunny place. Sunflowers love the sun," said Grandpa. "Here is a sunny place," said Sam. Sam pointed to a place by the shed. "That is a good place for sunflowers," said Grandpa. Ben and Sam dug in the soil. "The holes need to be deep. Sunflowers grow very tall," said Grandpa. Grandpa, Ben, and Sam put their seeds in the holes. They filled the holes with soil. "We need to water the seeds. Sunflowers need a lot of water," said Grandpa. "What do we do now?" said Sam. "Now we will wait and see. Whose sunflower will grow the tallest?" said Grandpa. Ben and Sam watered their seeds every day. They made sure there were no weeds growing. They could not see any sunflowers. They waited and waited. One day they saw something. It was a green stem with leaves. The sunflowers were growing. The sunflowers grew taller and taller. Ben and Sam waited and waited. One day Grandpa said, "It is time to pick the sunflowers." Whose sunflower was the tallest? Grandpa's sunflower was the brightest. Ben's sunflower had the biggest flower, but Sam's sunflower was the tallest. "Who should we give the sunflowers to?" said Sam. Grandpa, Ben, and Sam gave their sunflowers to Grandma. "Thank you. I love sunflowers," said Grandma.